Paramita Basu from Key Art and Design. So today we have come for WD form filling. So WD form is now available in online, and we have also given in the description box. But those students who want any discount in WD form filling, you can just WhatsApp me in my number with your name and a state and tell me if you want the discount. Then we will give you the form to fill, that you will fill, and then you will get 20% discount, including those who are filling my Google form for and get 20% discount. You are also getting a lot of more benefits like sample papers and also help in how to make the portfolio for WD. So plus those who want to know more about the anything else, then also you can WhatsApp me in my number. There are many videos of WD you can go and watch in our channel. The links are also available in the description box. Now let us see how you can fill WD form.
Click on the link that has been provided in the descriptions box to start filling your WUD University admission process. First, register by entering your full name, phone number, email ID, state, city, and selecting your level, undergraduate or postgraduate. Select the course you wish to pursue. Choose your subject specialization, enter the CAPTCHA code displayed in the box, check the consent box, and then click Register Now. Next, please click on the link that has been sent to your email address. Next, check your email for the login details. You will find the email address you provided during registration, along with a password. Be sure to remember your password for future access. Once you have this information, go ahead and click on Fill the form to proceed with your application. Now click on Apply Now. Step 1. Personal details. Some details will already be filled out for you, such as your course and first preference, which you provided during registration. If you'd like, you can now select your second preference. In the Personal Details section, please upload your photograph. Next, provide your WhatsApp number and an alternate email address if you have one. You will also need to enter your date of birth and age as of July 31st, 2024. Additionally, select your gender and nationality. If you are an Indian citizen, please enter your Aadhaar card number as requested. Lastly, fill in your blood group, mother tongue, religion, caste, and indicate whether you are physically challenged by selecting yes or no. Next, fill out the details for your parents or guardian. First, select whose details you would like to provide. Then, complete the required fields for your father's details, including his title, name, mobile number, and email address, if applicable. Additionally, please indicate your father's employment status, current occupation, designation, and the name of his organization. In the address details section, please enter your complete address, including your country, state, district, city, and PIN code. After entering your address details, be sure to check the box if your correspondence address is the same as your permanent address. Once completed, click on Save and Next to proceed. In Step 2, you'll need to fill in your academic details. In the 10th grade academic details section, please enter your institute name, board, year of completion, marking scheme, grade, and specify what you pursued after 10th grade. In the 12th grade academic details section, please enter your institute name, board, year of completion, stream, the status of your 12th grade results, marking scheme, and grade. Next, select whether you are currently pursuing or have completed your graduation.
Now, click on Save and Next to continue. In Step 3 of the registration process, you'll complete your payment. In the Payment Details section, select your preferred payment method, either online or offline. Please note that if you choose offline payment, you will need to enter a code to proceed. After that, check the box and then select the Pay Now option to proceed.
Okay, now you have seen the how to fill the WD form. After the form is filled properly, then you have to pay 2,000 rupees for the form, and then after that only you have to actually submit all the documents which is required. Those who are actually in 12th appearing, they just have to submit 10th and other documents which are required. 12th pass certificate and result, they don't have to fill, they will fill after, they will submit after the results have come out. So any other information or related WD or you want the form for getting the discount, you just have to WhatsApp me in my number, and anything else also you want to know, WhatsApp me in this number. So I think this video is very important for all the students who want to fill WD's form. So do like and share. Those who are coming first time in this channel, do subscribe us. We will meet you with lots of more videos. Bye for today.